Hey, what's going on, guys? Just basically want to make this video to say Merry Christmas to everyone, whether you celebrate Christmas or not, or any other different holidays, or just don't celebrate anything at all. Anyway, around the world it's Christmas Day, so just want to wish you guys all a good Christmas. Hopefully you get some cool stuff. I don't really know what I'm gonna get. I don't really get any Gunpla from anyone in my family or my wife. I get it kind of throughout the year. So, but those of you who are hoping to get some Gunpla this year, or maybe have already purchased some for yourself, you know, hope you guys enjoy it and just have a good, safe holiday season, no matter where you are. And just want to say thank you to all you guys for your continued support. You know, everyone who's watching and supporting my channel in any way. I just really appreciate all you guys. So thank you all so much. And I just want to also then just take some time to share with you some updates on just some things. So as you guys know, last week I mentioned in a video about my camera dying. The good news is that my camera is fixed, and the better news is that it was free because it is a manufacturer's defect with that particular model of camera. It's a Canon 7D and a 70D, sorry, and that particular model has a certain error that it gets basically where the motherboard dies, and Canon fixes it for free, so that's good because it's way out of warranty. So my camera is fixed and it's on its way back to me. At the moment I'm using my wife's camera still, which is working for the moment, but it'll be nice to have my camera back. It has a little bit nicer features on it. So that'll be back on Thursday, the day after Christmas. That should arrive here, so that'll be all good. But if you guys have seen on my Facebook page, my compressor has now died as well. So the Master Grade Barbatos that I'm in the middle of painting, and also the Master Grade Gyaradoga that I'm in the middle of painting, are both going to be on hold for the time being. I think I'm at the stage on both of the builds where I can start doing some of like the little hand painting and stuff before getting around to doing further stages, but I definitely need the compressor to really make much more progress on those. So I'm working on getting a new compressor. Hopefully that can also be sorted out soon so I can get back to work on those. In the meantime, of course, I do have plenty of other things to do. I have some kits here behind me that need to be reviewed. I have some other kits over there that need to be built and reviewed. So I've got lots of stuff to do. What I may do is just take like a week or two while the compressor is getting sorted out to just work on just getting caught up a little bit, or trying to as much as I can on some of the kits that need to be built and reviewed. So we'll do probably over the next maybe 2 weeks or so, probably a lot of live streaming building these kits, and so make sure you subscribe or just follow, especially my Facebook page if you want to stay tuned for updates when I'm going to be live streaming and all that. One of the other things, of course, that I can do without a compressor is just work on just hand painting. So there's a couple of Machine and Krieger kits that I've got kind of lined up as well, and other kits, actually a couple other small projects that I've been meaning to paint. So I might just also do a couple of small hand painting projects as well. So that's something that I'll probably try to fit in for the next couple of weeks while the airbrush is out of order for the time being. One other small announcement is that I know at the end of the Hyakushiki 100k contest I said that there probably won't be another contest for a couple months, but I will be starting another small contest around the middle of January. So in about 2 or 3 weeks time I'll be starting another new contest. It'll be something kind of small, so something simple that hopefully that a lot of you guys will be able to enter, and it should be pretty cool though, pretty fun. So that'll be something else that I'll be kind of working up to, and I'll have that announcement probably for you guys around the middle of January, so stay tuned for that. And I think I'm also going to use the time to also rearrange some of my desk space here, because recently I got a big box of stuff from HobbyZone. If you guys are unfamiliar with HobbyZone, they make like the desk organizer boxes, things that you can kind of customize and all that. So I got some of those from HobbyZone that I've been meaning to install here, so it's a good chance for me to take a break and just work on revamping my desk space here, reorganizing stuff, getting the HobbyZone stuff installed. I'll make, of course, a review video on that stuff for you guys, so you'll be able to get an idea of how that stuff works as well. Dang, and I feel like there was something else that I wanted to mention to you guys, but at the moment I don't recall. So, okay, suddenly while I was getting ready to edit the video, I remembered what I wanted to tell you guys. The other thing was that I am preparing my best kits of 2019 video. I'm gonna do it, I think, once again, like I think I did it last year, where I did like the 5, or was it 10? Anyway, I'll do like the best kits, the worst kits, and then I'll do the best P Bandai kits, because there's a lot of really great P Bandai kits, but because they're P Bandai, I feel like they shouldn't be in with the best kits in general, so we'll do this separately. So we'll do 5 or 10 best, worst, and then the best of P Bandai as well. So that video, but also I am also going to do a separate video about the best kits of the decade. So from the past 10 years, what are some of the best kits? And in this category, I'm not going to do the worst. We'll just focus on the best. What are some of like the must-own kits? We'll do, like, say for example, if it ends up being 15, I haven't decided for sure, but 15 like must-own kits from the past decade. That will be a separate video. So I'm working on those. I'll probably try to have those 2 videos both out by around the end of the year or right around the beginning of January. So in about a week's time, sometime within that time period, I'll have those videos for you guys. And in the meantime, I do want to hear some feedback from you guys. So if you want to leave a comment down below what you think are some of the best kits of this year or worst kits of this year or best kits from the past decade, let me know what you think down below. I'll take your guys' thoughts, of course, into consideration. Just remember to try that I'll be doing my best, and you guys should also do your best to give your opinions in an objective manner, maybe designs that you weren't personally a fan of, but you can recognize them as some of the best kits of the year or the decade or whatever. So objectively, what do you think are some of the best and or worst kits? Let me know down in the comment section below. That'll be helpful for me putting together my video, so thank you so much for that. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just wanted to let you know what was going on with some of that stuff, and again, just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. So hope you guys all have a great day, hope you get some cool stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. So stay tuned. Bye, guys.